So I'm sitting in my van and it's the 26th of May and it's very windy out there. So I put my beanie on because my hair will be going everywhere, but I'm going to head out for a bit of a walk before I get started with my day, and I thought I'll show you how it is down here in Victoria in Portarlington, which is a little place south of Geelong. So as I'm sitting here in the van, you can actually look towards Melbourne. When there's a clear day, you'll see the buildings kind of sticking out of the water, so it's pretty cool. But I'm going to head out there for a bit of a walk. Probably won't be too much talking, but I'll take you around and show you a little bit. I've got about 40 minutes or so before I get started in my day, so I've got to brace myself to head out there. But yeah, the ocean, or the bay, it's not the ocean, it's the bay. Well, it is the ocean, but it's bayside. It's usually very, very flat here. We've had beautiful days this summer, absolutely stunning, and I've enjoyed every part of summer, but now it's getting colder and it's very rough out there today, so I'm going to head out there. And here in Portarlington, there's actually a ferry that goes to Melbourne, Port Melbourne. So people get on that ferry and they go into the city for work. So it's pretty cool. Apart from that, these mornings when it's winter, it's very, very quiet here in Portarlington, but it gets very, very busy in the summer. And on the weekends when people come down here and spend time in the main street and looking in the shops and the cafes and all that sort of stuff. So we're going to head out now, so let's explore a little bit around the coastal part here in Portarlington. It's windy. Spectacular sunrise this morning, and over on the right there's the pier, and that's where the ferry goes from. Better hang on to my beanie. So just coming towards the pier. This is where people walk out and they head out to the ferry out there. I really love this painting. This is on one of the buildings here. I think it's some sort of community buildings. Building. And yeah, you got the pelicans there. And it's just beautiful. And the Port Phillip ferry there. And a person fishing and people swimming. Just beautiful artwork. So here I'm just coming up to the main street. It's quite a nice old building here. I think it's a hotel or pub. I have to have a look. Looks pretty good. This is the Portarlington Grand Hotel. Love these little coastal towns. This is on the beautiful Bellarine Peninsula. Oh my goodness. We got the fishing ship. Should be open by the... No, it's not open, it's closed. I was going to say. It's just like 8 o'clock in the morning, surely it's not open. No, it wasn't. But very nice outlook here. People can sit here on the benches and look out over the bay. I was actually house sitting down here in Portarlington. That was a little bit over a year ago. Just another street up there. Really beautiful little kind of cottage. It was really, really pretty. Loved it. Through all my travel in the last few years, I've done so much I could have showed you, but I guess I wasn't ready to get going with my video log and document all the amazing places I've been in Australia, up the east coast, everywhere really. But I'm gonna get started now, guys. I hope you're looking forward to it, seeing lots of adventures, not just here but also other parts of the world. And of course you get to experience when I do my little exercise sessions in different places as well. I usually set up on the beaches around the place or parks, and I do my body awakening movement. I'm back in my van. Oh, that was a bit windy out there, but so beautiful. Beautiful sunrise and beautiful getting that fresh air. Very quiet around Portarlington this time of morning on a Monday morning. Everyone's off to work, but hope you enjoyed that little tour around Portarlington on the 26th of May 25.